Hi lovely people, how are you? I am on a roll. This is my third video that I'm doing, and I am so excited because my October 2018 Allure box finally came. Let me tell you the drama that I've been having. If you don't know, my mother's house caught on fire. There was electrical fire on September 5th. And I used to get all my mail delivered there because there was always somebody there. So when that happened, I had to change addresses to my post office box. And let me tell you the drama that I've been having with all my boxes. That's why a lot of them are late in the month. And it is crazy because the post office will lose them because I had it on hold. And then with Allure, even though I changed my address, sometimes they told me on the phone it takes 4 to 5 weeks for it actually to go through. So they mailed it to my mother's old address, which because that was being on hold, then the post office lost it it was just crazy. So anyway, I finally got it and I'm excited because this is a really, really good box this month. So without further ado, I am going to cut the plastic off and let's begin. This is a $15 a month subscription. And Allure is getting better and better. It really is. So that's what it looks like. It always comes in the same packaging. And when you open it up, if I'm not dropping everything, that's what it looks like. And you always have the most prettiest people on here with the most perfect skin. And I love this effect when the sun is like on your eyes or on your face and it brings out the color of your eyes. I think it's so beautiful, but she is absolutely gorgeous. And inside tells you what everything is. So I'm excited. So this is what it looks like when you open it up. Now I did watch some of my friends' unboxings, but to be honest, I actually forget what everything is. So let me just open her up. All right, so the first thing we got is this Hourglass mascara, which this is a pretty good mascara. I got this in my Macy's box, so I do like it. It's $29 for a full size. I don't know if I will personally pay almost $30 for a mascara, but it's okay. I don't want to open it and show you the wand. Since I have tried it out, I'm going to put this in a future giveaway because I really like it and I want you guys to try it. All right. And let's see. The next thing we got is from Sunday Riley. So this is, am I looking at the right thing? Yes. So the sample's very small. That's what it looks like right there. It says Sunday Riley Good Jeans Lactic Acid Treatment. So I'm looking at the price. Full size will be $105. And this is what I have. And it looks like it's pretty filled up. You would probably get 1 or 2 uses. The problem that I have is though, if I like it's $105. What does it say? It says Sunday Riley sounds like an indie rock band. And it is devoted following to match, especially around the Allure offices. The line Exfoliating Lactic Acid Peel Good Jeans is a favorite. The digital hair editor, okay, blah, 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 blah. All right, so that's what it is. It's like an acid peel. All right, let's move on. So there is another thing from Sunday Riley right there. And I'm glad that they put this in a bag because a lot of times, you know, the caps get unscrewed, you know, in transit and everything leaks. So that's good that they're listening to their customers. This is a Sunday Riley ceramic slip cleanser. This would be $35 if it was full size. Let's see what it is. Don't let the name fool you. This face wash. Okay, so it's a face wash. So that's good. I'm excited to try that. I mean, this is really good so far. All right, let's see. The next thing we got is this is a matte liquid lip stain in I can never pronounce this. This YVES. Comment below. Because I know I'm going to mess it up. And when I do, I always have people correcting me. So let me know. So let me take a swatch. I don't know if I like that smell. It's got like a perfumey smell. But this is gorgeous. This is gorgeous right there. That is beautiful. Oh, I like that. I like it. Full size would be $37. Oh my God, I don't think I'd pay $37 for any liquid lip. All right, moving on. The next thing we got is from Caudally. This is a skin perfecting serum right there. Let me show you. I really like this brand. So full size will be $49. Holy crap. So this is a serum. I love using serums. Does anybody use this yet? Let me know what you think of that. So we got two more things. So this is a First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream, which I really do like this. I put this on my face. And full size will be $12 for, well, no, $12 for 2 ounce and $30 for 6 ounce. So this is 1 ounce. So this would probably be about $6 for the sample size right there. And last but not least, I have tried this before. This is the BKR Paris Water Bomb. This works so amazing. I don't know if you guys can see it or what, but I got this in an Ipsy one time, and full size will be $22. And I really like it. Let me see if I can figure out how I can open this and show you guys real quick. This is probably the best lip balm that I ever got. Now, it's a very small sample size right there, but you only need a little bit. But it feels just like you're putting on water, exactly what it says. I'm excited that we get this to try it out for people who haven't tried it out. So this is a really good month. I know, I'm like, really. So we got this water lip balm, which is great. We got 2 Sunday Rileys, so I'm excited. We got the Caudally. We got the First Aid Beauty, which I am a really big fan of this. And we got a sample size of this Eve's, I can't say it. Comment down below. But you really only need, for me, this will last me a while. You know, I don't go through full liquid lipstick. So I'm glad that we got this size. So, oh, and we got the Hourglass Mascara. So I'm excited. I guess the wait was worth it. I am so excited. Comment below, what do you think of this box this month? This is probably one of the best boxes I think I got in the Allure. I think so. Let me know what you think. Please like this video. It really helps me out. And I've been saying in every video, I still have a giveaway going on. It ends on the 31st of October. It is in the Assumptions video. So make sure you check it out. Somewhere in there is a hidden giveaway. You can see what I'm giving away and what you have to do. But like as always, I always leave videos right here if you want to watch more of me. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.